Want to build your own web app but not sure where to start, how long it will take, or even if you need to code? Stick around, because in this video, I'll walk you through step by step the exact tools, skills, and AI shortcuts I'm using to build real apps this year. By the end, you will know what to build, how to build it, and how fast you can launch it. The first step is to ideate and validate. First, what should you build? The best stuff solves your own problems. Think, what frustrates me daily? Maybe it's a habit tracker, freelance invoice tool, or an AI chatbot. You need to validate this idea very fast. Use Google Trends, Reddit, or even a landing page to prove that people actually want this idea. Step 2 is to build. Now on the fun part. In 2025, you have got two options. Slow code, that's actually hard coding, this takes months, or actually fast code, this is using AI to assist you. Here is the stack I'm actually using for my web app I'm building. For front end, I use Next.js, assisted with both.new, Lovable, and ChatGPT. For backend, I rely on Supabase. Supabase is an open source Firebase alternative. It helps you start your project with a Postgres database. For design, I just rely on Figma for my wireframing. The third step is now to host and deploy your platform. That's once you are done building it in the second phase. Hosting used to cost a lot, but now with platforms like Vercel, you can easily connect your project to GitHub and connect from GitHub to Vercel in as short as 30 seconds. And if you need a custom domain name, platforms like Namecheap with Cloudflare's DNS can handle it, and then you are done. Step 4 is now to launch and monetize. Don't overthink this part. You can launch on platforms like Product Hunt, Reddit, Twitter, or niche Facebook groups tailored to your platform. If you are watching this and you are ready to build, but maybe you are stuck on which path to actually take, here's the truth: you don't need to be perfect, just start. If you are still unsure, make sure to drop a comment about your situation. But if you are now starting up and have no knowledge about JavaScript, make sure to check out this video. If this helped, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button, which actually tells YouTube and recommends this to other people. Comment your app idea below and I'll reply with some tools suggestions. Bye.